Good morning, friends. I just want to give you a real quick update on Lolapalooza 2020. We got our t-shirt design. BlindViews sent this to me in the mail. I love it so much. Isn't that beautiful?
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her mind again.
So real quick recap of what Lolapalooza is. It's just a gathering that we have every year. It's some are YouTubers, some are viewers. People are in vans, they're in tents, they're in RVs. Everybody just comes together and we have a great time. In the past, we've had a lot of different seminars and different things that we can get together and do. It's definitely going to look a little bit different this year, but the premise is the same, that we're all going to get to hang out with some of our favorite people and get to meet some new favorite people. It's really one of the very coolest things about this Lolapalooza are the friendships that have been made. I've seen people who came together a year or 2 years ago who never met each other before and are just the dearest friends now. Literally, lifelong friendships were made. And I just love that. I know I have made some of the best friends. You guys know who you are. So anyway, I do encourage you to come if you can. And like I said, we're going to figure this out. It's going to be different and it's going to be interesting, but I guarantee you it'll also be fun. Unless it rains the whole time, which could happen. Hey, it's camping. It's North Texas. Can never tell. Lolapalooza 2020 will be held at Cedar Hill State Park. It's right outside of Dallas, Texas. It's going to be October 22nd through the 25th. And everybody's welcome. You don't have to be a YouTube creator to come. Anybody is welcome that enjoys the outdoors, camping, and just wants to hang out with some like-minded people. Somebody asked me once, what does like-minded mean? Well, if people enjoy the same things you do, if you're in a campground, you've already got one thing in common, right? So I've ordered our t-shirts in the past from Vistaprint, and I'm going to go ahead and do that again this year. Reason being, they're a really good company. I trust them. They do me right every time, and the prices are the best out there that I've found. A regular size t-shirt, like a small, medium, large, extra large, they're about $10 a piece. I think for the 2XLs, 3XLs, they go up to about $12 or $13 a piece. So you really can't beat that. And you get to design it yourself using the artwork that BlindViews provided. So that's what we're going to do. If you want to get one ordered, I will put the link below to my PayPal and also to my P.O. box, so you can either mail in the money or you can do it on PayPal. Just make sure you let me know what size t-shirt you want, and if your email is different than your YouTube name or your screen name that you use, please let me know who you are so I'll know whose shirt goes where. If you're not going to be able to come to Lolapalooza but you still want a t-shirt, you're more than welcome to order one. Just make sure I have your mailing address and add a few bucks for shipping, and I'll be happy to mail that to you. So we need to get the orders in by no later than September 15th in order to make sure that we have plenty of time to get them delivered for the event. Now, we're still trying to work out all of the logistics on how we can social distance and still make this event happen. We've got a lot of great ideas rolling around, so it's definitely going to be interesting. So we'll either be dropping the t-shirts off to your individual campsites, or we'll have a place where you can come by and pick them up. And yeah, social distance and all that. So yep, I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, this is just amazing. But BlindViews is such a talented man. I can't thank him enough for everything that he does for me. What a great friend. We've also been collecting pool noodles. We've got a couple of dozen already, so we will be bringing those with us. So if anybody needs a pool noodle, the purpose of the pool noodles is that way you can always make sure that you are properly social distanced. If you can hit somebody with a pool noodle, they're too close. It's also going to be a really fun way to just have fun and be silly. So, I mean, what's more silly than a pool noodle when you're not in a pool? Also wanted to let you know something else. To be honest with you, I really didn't think we would have 25 people come to this event under this current circumstances. And so Vicki and I and my daughter have this little bet going. Like I said, I thought no more than 25 would be there. Vicky thinks at least 50 will be there. My daughter's picking the in between 25 and 50 slot, so we have a little bet on that. It's one bet I don't mind losing. We've already had over 25 people make reservations, so that's pretty awesome. I'm really excited to see everybody again from the past 2 years, and that's mostly who has reserved are people who I've met before. For those of you who want to come and this will be your first time, please don't hesitate. We really are going to try to do this in the safest manner possible, and we won't do anything that makes anybody uncomfortable. So in other words, yeah, we won't be able to have our normal potluck, but we're going to figure out different ways that we can still just have a lot of fun together, even if we can't be close together. So I know it sounds kind of weird, but we will be outside, so that there's unlimited numbers of options of different ways we can do this. We will figure this out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you in October. There will be a couple more update videos probably between now and then, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that little subscription bar below, and that way you'll be notified anytime that there's an update on the event. Can't wait to see you guys there. Y'all take care. Stay lost, my friends. Somebody decided it's time to do yard work because I decided I wanted to do a video. That's done. Stay in the air conditioner. It's 8:15 in the morning and it's 88 degrees already. That's why, October. I can't wait for October.